Hi students, I am Shymamuhammed. Welcome to my channel Make Learning Easy. Okay, in this video we can learn about physical features of India. Before going to the topic, you should know where India is located and also should have an idea about directions. Okay, we can understand location of India with the help of a globe. Okay, this is the globe which is spherical in shape. Actually, this is the model of Earth that you already know. Here you can see a line. This line is called equator. With the help of this equator, Earth has been divided into two equal hemispheres. One is this and another one is this. This is the this hemisphere is in the northern part, so this is the northern hemisphere, and this hemisphere in the southern part, so this is the southern hemisphere. So where is India? Here is India. So where India is located? India is located in the northern hemisphere. So please keep this point in mind. Okay. So let's move to the topic. India is the 7th largest country in the world. You know, India is the 7th largest country in the world and which is located in the northern hemisphere that we already saw here. And India is located in which continent? In Asia. Among the 7 continents, India is located in the continent Asia. I will show you Asia also. Asia. So our continent is Asia. So the physical features or the landforms or the physical divisions, that's our topic. Okay, India has physical features or landforms or physical divisions which can be divided into 6 natural regions. How many regions? 6 natural regions. So we can see what all are the regions. The physical features are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the Peninsular Plateau, the coastal plains and the islands. So these are the 6 natural divisions. So while we are hearing about physical features of India, how many physical features or how many physical divisions are there? 6 physical divisions are there. So let's see one by one. So the physical features we can learn about with the help of a map. So then you can learn better. So this is India's map which shows all India's physical divisions. Okay, the first physical feature is northern mountains. Oh, as the name says, where the northern mountains is located? In the northern part of India. This is the northern part, this is the southern part, this is eastern, this is western. Okay, so you should have an idea about directions while we are studying about physical features of India. Okay, as the name says, the northern mountains are located in the northern part of India. These are northern mountains. Okay, as a part of northern mountains, what we can see? We can see Himalayas. See, this is Himalayas. This is Himalayas. As a part of northern mountains, we can see Himalayas. In Himalayas, which is the highest peak? Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in Himalayas which lies in Nepal. Okay. But what is the or which is the highest peak in India? In India, the highest peak is Kanchenjunga. Okay. So, in the upper regions of these northern mountains, the upper regions of northern mountains are very cold. Hence, there is no vegetation. But in lower regions, these regions known as food hills, with which has thick vegetation and many animals. So, next point is what is the next physical division? The northern plains. As the name indicates, northern plains, this is the northern plains. Okay, northern plains are located just below the northern mountains. Okay, here you can see this is the northern mountains. Just below the northern mountains, the northern plains. Okay, we can see so many rivers are flowing through this region. Which all are the rivers? Here is the rivers Ganga, Brahmaputra and Satluj. Here are some of the rivers that flows through this northern plains. Okay, Ganga, Brahmaputra and Satluj. These are some of the rivers that flows through these northern plains. What is the speciality of these northern plains? Here, the soil is rich with deposits called silt. Keep this in mind, silt. This is the deposit present in the northern plains. Okay, which is brought down by Himalayan rivers. Okay, these plains are highly fertile and hence suitable for farming. Okay, this area is hot in summer and cold in winter. So that's about northern plains. So we have covered the northern mountains and northern plains. In northern mountains we saw Himalayas. In Himalayas, Mount Everest is the highest peak, and in India, Kanchenjunga is the highest peak. And below the northern mountains, we can see the northern plains. In northern plains, there are some of the rivers that flowing through are Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra, and these northern plains are fertile plains, so it is suitable for farming. Okay. Next one is what? Great Indian Desert. Great Indian Desert. This is Great Indian Desert, which is the vast stretch of land which is covered with sand, which is located in the northwestern part of India. In the northwestern part of India it is located. Okay, you can see this is the north direction and this is the west direction. So northwestern part of India, the Thar Desert or Great Indian Desert is located. Okay, it occupies a large area of Rajasthan. This area receives a very little rainfall and hence summers are very hot and winters are very cold and harsh. Okay, next we can see the Peninsular Plateau. This is the Peninsular Plateau. This is a triangular region, and the Peninsular Plateau which covers a large area of peninsular India. Okay, large area of peninsular India it covers, which is triangular in shape and which is bordered by Bay of Bengal in the east and Indian Ocean in the south and Arabian Sea in the west. That is the border of Peninsular Plateau. So Peninsular Plateau covers a large area of peninsular India which is triangular in shape. Here we can see this orange shaded region. This is triangular in shape. Okay, this is the Peninsular Plateau. What are the borders? In the east, Bay of Bengal, in the south, Indian Ocean, and in the west it is Arabian Sea. Next we can see the coastal plains. Okay, coastal plains, where coastal plains are located, on either side of this Peninsular Plateau we can see coastal plains. This is coastal plain, eastern coastal plain, and this is western coastal plains. So this is Eastern Ghats. Between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal we can see eastern coastal plain. So this is the eastern coastal plain. Between Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats, eastern coastal plains. Between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats, western coastal plains. So on either side of this Peninsular Plateau we can see these two coastal plains. Okay, and then islands. Okay, India has two group of islands. Which all are the two group of islands? The two group of islands are Andaman Nicobar Islands in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands in Arabian Sea. So that two islands, this is the Lakshadweep Islands which is located in the Lakshadweep Islands which is located in Arabian Sea, and Andaman Nicobar Islands which is located in Bay of Bengal. Okay, so that's all about these physical features of India. I hope this video is very much helpful for you. Thank you for watching video.